Amplitude scaling. I will explain about amplitude scaling using MATLAB. So here we can say this amplitude scaling. First I will explain the code and what is amplitude scaling. We can take the signal, one signal, for example this is the 2 volt. Scaling means we need to increase or decrease the signal voltage, or not only voltage, any parameter we can change. For example, here the 2 volts input is multiplied with 2, means it is the scaling, and after scaling this voltage is 4 volts. For example, this voltage, this image is converted into EM wave, electromagnetic wave, having 1 volt, just assumption, and after scaling that output is y, and y is equal, that is x into 2, means 2 times it is scaled. With the 2 it is scaled, that is 2 into 1 equal to 2. So here this is the scaled output, final output. Like this we can change anything, is called, that is scaling. You can say this is the code for then we need to go for amplitude scaling. This is the scaling, amplitude scaling code, and I am taking he will take the signal from 0 to 1. The range is 0 to 1, and the signal is x1 equals sin 2 pi 40. This is the signal. We need to scale this one. We need to increase the amplitude for this. What is the scaled factor? Y equal to 2 he is taking, that is 2 times he is increasing the x1 signal. That is the final output is y3 equal to a into x1. So means x1 is multiplied with 2. Then after this the final output is 2. So we need to plot that first signal, subplot of 2 comma 2 comma 1, means 2 rows, out of 2 rows 2 columns. First diagram is, out of 2 rows and 2 columns, first diagram is x1, and plot t comma x1. Need to plot that x1, and x label should be time and y label should be amplitude. Title should be input signal. Subplot of 2 comma 2 comma 2. This is second diagram. 2 rows, out of 2 rows and 2 columns, this is the second diagram. That plot y3, scaled signal, and x label is time, y label is amplitude. Title list should be amplified input signal. So like this we can draw the code. Of course discrete we will discuss later. First we need to generate the continuous. For that, here you can see this, I have opened this, and I have opened the MATLAB here. You can see this, and I have written the code here, same code I have written here. So after this, after writing this code, we need to go for save option, and you can save it any folder. Save option, you can give it any name. We can give it here, any name we can give it, and saving. First we need to save it, and I am giving, that is amplitude scaling .m in my folder I am saving. I have saved. Then go for run option. Top side there is a green button, and click on that, and we'll get our required amplitude scaled signal. Click on run option, we'll get it output. This is the scaled signal, you can check it here. This is the input signal, and this is the scaled. -1 to 1 is the input signal voltage, and -2 to 2 is the output signal voltage. Output scaled signal. So like this we can increase or decrease the amplitude by using scaling in MATLAB. Thank you.